Magnetic and non-magnetic materials. Unit 8b. Magnetic or non-magnetic. What materials are attached to magnets? Magnets can attract some materials. Materials that are attracted to magnet are called magnetic materials. Iron, steel, nickel, and cobalt are some examples of magnetic materials. Question. Name a magnetic material. Iron. Name a non-magnetic material. Wood. What materials are not attracted to magnets? Some materials are not attracted by a magnet. They are called non-magnetic materials. Aluminium, gold, silver, and copper are some non-magnetic materials. Many non-metals are non-magnetic. Plastic, glass, wood, cloth, paper, and rubber are some non-magnetic materials. Think like a scientist, predicting which materials are magnetic. You will need a magnet and some different materials to test. Predict which materials will be magnetic. Then test the materials to see whether you were right. There are 5 types of scientific inquiry. This is a classifying scientific inquiry. You will classify the materials whether they are magnetic or non-magnetic. Types of scientific inquiry are: first one is research, the second is fair testing, the third is observing over time, fourth, identifying, and the fifth one is classifying or pattern seeking. Write your predictions and results in a table like this, with columns as object, material, prediction, and result. Find out whether the objects are magnetic or non-magnetic. Here the objects given are plastic bottle, can, eraser, wood stick, scissors, and keys. Plastic bottle is made of plastic. Can is made of aluminium. Eraser is made up of rubber. Wood stick is made of wood. Scissors is made of steel. Keys are made of steel. Predictions are: the plastic bottle is non-magnetic. The can is magnetic. Eraser is non-magnetic. Wood stick is non-magnetic. Scissors is magnetic. Keys are magnetic. The results are the same as the prediction. Tech Talk. Do you know that metal pieces can end up in food items such as milk powder, sugar, or chocolate when they are being processed in factories? Metal parts from damaged or worn out equipments could fall and mix with the food items. Explanation: magnets are used in different parts of production line in the form of plates or drums to remove these metal pieces. As the food item moves over these magnets, the metal pieces get attracted to the magnets and are removed. Can these magnets remove all metals from the food items? Why or why not? Yes, these foreign bodies can contaminate finished product. Magnetic detectors or magnetic separator is used to filter and later dispose of metal contaminants from the product stream. The metal detector is mainly used as a means of inspection for occurring metal contamination. Science at work. Science can help us explain how things around us work. The picture shows a globe floating in the air above its stand. Can you use your knowledge of magnets to explain how the globe is floating? Which property of magnets would you use to explain it? Magnetic levitating globes work by using magnets to stay afloat. The globe contains a magnet and the base contains a large permanent magnet with the same pole as the globe's magnet. The large magnet in the base pushes against the globe's magnet as it approaches the base, while the four magnetic coils attracted to the globe's magnet by constantly measuring the vertical position of the globe. The magnetic force exerted by the electromagnet on the globe's magnet is varied to keep the globe in place. Tick the correct box beside each sentence. Not all magnets have two poles. False. When two magnets are brought near each other, they will attract or repel each other. True. All metals are magnetic materials. False. Magnets of all shapes can attract steel objects. True. The picture below shows two bar magnets, magnet A and magnet B. What would you observe if you hold magnet B and bring it close to magnet A? Tick the correct answers. Magnet A will move away from magnet B. Magnet A will move closer to magnet B. It's the correct answer. Magnet B will not attract or repel magnet A. The unlike poles of magnet A and B will attract each other. This is also a correct answer.